Welcome to the Hara abdominal treatment for the digestive tract. In the last course, what we focused on was a generalized treatment of the Hara using very traditional type of techniques, and that was really directed at the whole body, the whole system, the general well-being. In this course, we're going to focus on working with the Hara or abdominal region to enhance the functions of the digestive system. Clearly, as we know, a very important system of the body, essential to our well-being. The Hara and the digestive tract has a spiralic construction and energy flow. And this comes from the trajectory that the ovum was taking when it left the ovary and moved down the fallopian tube and implanted to the uterus. It is like a spiraling downward inward motion, and our digestive tract is like a continuation of that pathway. The main movement of the digestive system is peristalsis. This is the force that activates and enables all of the activities that occur that are essential to our well-being and our life energy. And that peristalsis is actually a continuation of the pulsing or ovulation of the ovum during its journey from the ovary to the uterus, where it implants and then develops into a fetus. So just to try to get an image of this history to how the digestive tract is forming, where it came from, why it has the spiralic movement, why its essential force is this pulsing peristalsis. Now, in this course, we're going to follow that spiralic movement of the digestive system, and we're going to work with techniques that helps to bring back a healthy peristaltic movement. There's actually 4 phases of digestion. One is intake, which happens at the mouth, and also, as we know, comes into the stomach. From that point, breaking down starts to occur. So this breaking down or digesting is happening in the stomach. One aspect happening in the upper stomach, another in the lower stomach. And then that contents, after it's acted on in the stomach, moves to the duodenum, where it's acted on from pancreatic secretions, gallbladder secretions, and this further breaks down. So that's the breaking down phase. Then we have the absorption phase, and that occurs mainly in the small intestine and to some degree continues in the large intestine. So the absorption takes place, and that content is transformed into what we need for our body: blood, cells, and energy. What happens then is that leftover residue from our intake is moved through the large intestine and eventually eliminated. Good health comes when those 4 phases are working well and working in tandem with each other. A lot of times, poor health is coming when one of those areas, or maybe all of those areas, are not functioning well. This can lead to weak blood quality, poor nutrition, and also, really important, if elimination is not working properly, it can create a toxic buildup that essentially can poison the whole body. We want to follow that pathway of digestive movement. We want to bring back the energy of peristalsis and elimination. I think you're going to find that working through the system with very effective techniques will bring you a lot of benefits for the practice. So I hope you enjoy. And it may take some practice to get some of these techniques. Practice the ones that maybe are easier at first, then move on to the ones that may be a little bit more challenging. But in the end, I think you're going to find that it's really creating an improvement for the well-being of your clients, and also for you, because you can do many of these techniques on yourself. So here we go.